Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my personal natural skincare routine that I use for healing dry skin during summer. The first step into my all-natural skincare routine is to clean your face. Manuka Honey is a perfect natural cleanser alternative for all skin types. This honey contains amazing anti-inflammatory properties that it will help to keep acne under control and at the same time will deeply moisturize dry skin. I exfoliate my skin once a week as a part of my natural skincare routine, mostly to remove all the dead skin on my face. Add 2 spoons of oatmeal with some water and begin to exfoliate for 2 minutes. Oatmeal is a very soft exfoliator on any skin. I love to use it because it removes dead skin, even afterwards keeps your skin hydrated and very soft. It's time to apply green tea as a natural toner. This is very simple. Make some green tea, let it cool down, and then pour some tea into a spray bottle and then apply as much as you want. Green tea helps to even the skin tone, reduce pore size, and control acne. As a vitamin C serum, I love to use grapeseed oil. It doesn't clog my pores like other oils do. Its consistency is very light on the skin and it helps to restore collagen and fights wrinkles. I like to apply a few drops on my hands and then I massage gently for 30 seconds. I normally use raw shea butter as a natural moisturizer for my lips and under eye area. I put a small amount on my hand and carefully without pulling, begin to apply under your eyes and lips. Try to use a pat motions around your eye area for 20 seconds. I know this skincare routine might have some effort, but I think it's good to switch sometimes skincare routines to a more natural ones to give your skin a break from all chemicals. In my case, works wonders when I get super dry skin because I absolutely love the results. I started including this natural skincare routine at night once a week. Every time I use it, my face looks healthy and super glowy, so you should give it a try. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do it right here. It's free and easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Pura Vida!